The difference between descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. Descriptive and inferential statistics are two broad categories in the field of statistics. In the video first, we show you how both types of statistics are important for different purposes. Descriptive statistics describe a sample. That is pretty straightforward. You simply take a group that you are interested in, record data about the group members, and then use summary, statistic, and graph to present the group properties. This also includes mean, median, mood and range, variance and standard deviation, skewness, and count maximum and minimum. There are literally dozens of charts and graphs you can make from data. Which one you choose depends upon what kind of data you have and what you want to display. If you want to display the relationship between data in categories, you could make a bar graph. A pie chart will show you how categories in your data relate to the whole set. Scatter plots are a good way to display data points. There are two types of descriptive statistics. First, measure of central tendency and measure of variability or spread. First, let's go to the measure of central tendency. It describes the center position of the distribution for a data set. A person analyzes the frequency of each data point in the distribution and describes it using the mean, median, or mode, which measure the most common pattern of the analyzed data set. Next is measure of variability. It's our way of summarizing a group of data by describing how spread out the scores are. For example, the mean score of our 100 students may be 65 out of 100. However, not all students will have scored 65 marks. Rather, the score will be spread out. Some will be lower and some might be higher. Measure of spread helps us to summarize how spread out these scores are. To describe the spread, a number of statistics are available to us, including the range, quartile, absolute deviation, variance, and standard deviation. Inferential statistics, unlike descriptive statistics, is the attempt to apply the conclusions that have been obtained from the experimental study to more general population. This means inferential statistics try to answer questions about population and samples that have not been tested in the given experiment. For example, suppose there is a training program that claims to improve test score, and an experimenter wants to verify the claim. She starts with two groups. She takes in the training program and the others not. She measures the test score in the beginning and at the end, making sure that the starting test score are on an average, the same for both test groups. The researcher finds that the test score for those who take in the training are indeed higher now, and the difference is statistically significant. Then, she rejects her null hypothesis. Murray studied the result for the two groups in terms of average score difference and represented this in the form of graph in the descriptive statistics. But if she concludes that the training program is effective in improving test score in general and for all people, then this is inferential statistics. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the movie. Bye.